Health benefits of papaya, advanced level. And here goes. First, skin benefits of papaya. It helps in the reduction of wrinkles, meaning it has anti-aging properties. It helps towards control and reduction of acne. Papaya also has benefits for your hair and also for dandruff. Yes, papaya, weight loss properties. Papaya has nutrients that facilitate weight loss. It is the proper nutrients and the right amount of fiber that support weight loss goals for any individual. Now, benefits of papaya leaves, as you see right here, it helps with dengue fever. Papaya leaves paste can be applied to skin and used to soften and clear and bring a youthfulness in your life because it has anti-aging property. It also is known to do well with gas and stomach bloating and heartburn. Papaya have anti-inflammatory properties. Papaya help reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Yes, it aids in digestion. It improves blood glucose control, meaning it's good for diabetes. Papaya lower blood pressure and it also improves wound healing. Papaya destroy fungi and parasite. It helps to fight different kinds of infection. Papaya can use to kill intestinal worms. It also used to cleanse the kidney. Studies show where papaya has also removed free radicals out of the body, which means it literally kill cancer cell. You know I can't call that word. Advanced level. Now I'm gonna give you 15 solid health benefits of papaya. I said advanced level, so this is the bonus. Here goes. Papaya is loaded with glycemic properties. Yes, meaning it literally regulates the glucose level and help to prevent the cells in the body from being um, insulin resistance. So it's the best you can ever find for diabetes. Papaya is good for weight loss. I said that before. That's number two. Number three, it's safe to say papaya is good for diabetes. It is low in carbs. It relieve constipation. Papaya reduce fatigueness in all manner. And seven, it prevent night blindness because papaya is high in lutein and zeaxanthin. Papaya is also high in vitamin A. Yes, my friend. So all of your eye health, papaya covers it all. And number eight, it causes glowing skin, of course, because papaya is high in anti-aging properties. Papaya also protect against sunburn, so it actually increases the melanin in your skin. Papaya is very healthy for hair because it's high in carotene. Papaya is good for the blood. It's a natural blood cleanser because it's high in folate or folic acid. Papaya is analgesic, meaning papaya have enzymes in papain, which is known to relieve arthritis and all pains from joints. So it's a natural pain reliever. Papaya enhance the immune system, so it's a natural immunizer because it's very high in vitamin C and enables your body to process the WBC, which is white blood cell, provided you can have the correction of all blood cell, meaning it provide natural platelets to your body. Papaya prevent against heart diseases because it's rich in vitamin A and C. It helps to protect against heart diseases by oxidizing the excess calories. Papaya is finally number 15, anti-cancer. And my friend, remember humans have been worked on as lab rats for all our lives. So all the disease that they say cannot be fixed, I just named some, but one of them is sickle cell. Of course, this can be used to renew your platelets. Just stay on it for a while. I'll say 3 months. And if it does not work, you go 3 more months. But trust me, eventually nature is slow but sure. Health benefits of papaya. And don't forget the new book on Amazon. There you go. Go and research it. You will find more inspiration like this. Papaya. Peace and light. Knowledgeable. True virgin.